Hello, good day. My name is 𝗙𝗢𝗥𝗘𝗫. You're welcome to this video tutorial. In this video tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to create a Deriv account and make your first deposit. So in this short video tutorial, you're going to be learning how to create a demo account, a real account, and make your first deposit. So let's jump into it. So in order for you to create an account with Deriv, you need to make use of your laptop or your Android mobile phone or your iOS mobile phone. So once you have any of that, you just need to click on create free demo account. So once you click that, you'll be taken to a page like this. Once you're on this page, you just need to enter your email, then click on agree. I agree to the terms and conditions. So once you click on that, then click on create a demo account. So if you don't want to use that, if you don't want to use your email to register, you have three other options here whereby you can be able to use your registered account with either Google, Facebook, or Apple to register your account directly. So in this case, you just need to click on any of this button, then you just follow the on-screen instructions for you to be able to register on Deriv website. So in this case, you're not going to be needing to enter any information by yourself. So Deriv will just take it up from there by themselves. So let's say you are selecting the email option, which most people will be using. So once you do that, then you'll be sent. Okay, once you do that, then you click on create demo account. You understand? So once you click that, then a confirmation email will be sent to your email. So once you get the email, open it and click the link on it. So you'll be taken to a page like this where you'll be asked to select the country you want. Your country of residence. Then you enter your password. So that's the password you'll be using to log into your account. So once that is done, then your account is ready for use. So but immediately you're logging in you're entering your account for the first time, you're prompted with this dialog box on your screen. So you are expected to select the type of trading you want to start with. But being a beginner, you may not know the right option for you yet. So you are advised to select not sure yet. So if you do that, you'll be taken to the platform where you'll be able to start practicing with your demo account, because automatically your demo account has been opened like that. So so the next thing, now that the demo account has been created, so now you need to add a real account. You understand? Because automatically once you do that, the first step, your demo account has been created. So in order for you to create your real account, you just need to click the drop down arrow here, which is beside the amount you're having. This amount you're having here, immediately you open your account, is the amount deposited into your demo account. This amount is automatically deposited into your demo account immediately you open the account. So what you need to do now is just to click on that drop down arrow, then select the real tab. So select the real tab, then click on add. So once you select that, then you need to select the currency that you want to be using to be funding your account or to be transacting on your account. So this is the page where you'll be able to select the currency you want. So we have selected the US dollar. Then the next thing is for you to enter your details, enter your name, your email address, and everything. So enter the details like that. Then the next thing is for you to tick the boxes in order to agree to the terms and conditions of Deriv.com. So once that is done, then you just click on add account. So your account is ready. So the next thing now is for you to fund your account to make a deposit, which you can do directly from this screen you're seeing here. So if you do that, so I'll be showing you how to make a deposit in the next step, or you can just click deposit here directly. You understand? So if you don't want to do that, then if you're not depositing directly from that button, then what you need to do is come to the page like this. You can see now that we're having 000 here, because in the real account there's no deposit, there's no fund there yet. So you need to fund it in order for you to start trading with real money. So once you're ready to fund your account, you just need to click on the cashier button here, the cashier menu above here. So once that is done, so now that takes us to our last step, which is to make your first deposit here. So once you click on that, you'll be brought to a page like this. Once you're on the page, just select deposit. There are actually different methods that you can use to make your deposit. You understand? So you can click on deposits here, then you'll be able to have different options of how you can fund your account. You understand? And at the same time, you can make use of payment agents. Under this payment agent, you have different people that you can make use of their service to fund your Deriv account, or to also withdraw from your Deriv account. Also, you can do the same thing via the Deriv P2P, while the transfer function is actually meant for, that's not part of the topic for today. So that part is actually meant for withdrawal. So in order for you to make deposit, once you click on the deposit button here, so you'll be shown different options to fund your account. You can fund with your bank card, you can fund directly with bank wire, you can fund with cryptocurrencies. You can fund with cryptocurrencies, and you can buy cryptocurrencies via fiat on ramp. So once you made your option, so you'll be able to fund your account. So once your account is funded, you can start trading immediately. So that's how simple it is. So that's all you need to know. That's all you need to know in order to open a trading account with Deriv.com. So you can just simply use this method to follow this tutorial to open a demo account and create a live account and fund it in just simple step described in this video in just few minutes. You understand? So in order to fund your account, or in order to get started, the link to register directly to Deriv.com is below this video, so it's in the description of this video. So just click on the link in order to get started and register with Deriv.com. So if you like this video, please give a thumbs up, and please remember to subscribe to my channel. My name is 𝗙𝗢𝗥𝗘𝗫. So I will see you in my next video, where I will be teaching you on how to make withdrawals from Deriv.com, and how to do other things, and also how to trade profitably on Deriv.com. Thank you so much for watching this video.